has announced a significant reduction in its international operations, cutting nearly 100 overseas flights per week and temporarily suspending services on several routes as it faces mounting financial and operational pressures. The airline said the move comes amid rising costs, ongoing airspace restrictions, and record high jet fuel prices, which have severely impacted long-haul operations. As part of the restructuring, Air India will reduce up to 27% of its international capacity, particularly on loss-making routes. According to the airline's financial disclosures, it reported losses exceeding 22,000 crore rupees in the financial year 2025 to 26, with jet fuel alone accounting for approximately 55 to 60% of its operating costs. The carrier noted that rerouting flights due to restricted airspace has further increased fuel consumption, making several long-haul routes increasingly unviable. The revised schedule will be implemented from June to August period. Routes that will be temporarily suspended, which includes Delhi to Chicago, Mumbai to New York, Delhi to Shanghai, Chennai to Singapore, Mumbai to Dhaka, and Delhi to Malé. In addition to route suspensions, Air India will reduce flight frequencies on several key international sectors. Services from Delhi to San Francisco, Toronto, and Vancouver will see fewer flights, while the Mumbai to Newark route will continue to operate daily. European destinations such as Paris, Rome, Zurich, Vienna, Milan, and Copenhagen will also experience reduced services. Flights to Australia will be scaled down from daily operations to 4 times a week. Air India said the rationalization is aimed at improving network stability and minimizing last-minute cancellations. Passengers affected by the changes will be offered options including rebooking, alternative travel arrangements, or refunds. Meanwhile, the European Union's Energy Commissioner said there is no immediate threat to jet fuel supply but cautioned that a longer-term shortage cannot be ruled out. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.